Hi there, wanted to run an audio check using a Sony FX7 with the built-in mic, also with a Audio-Technica ATR35 lavalier, 35s, a ATR55 shotgun with the sock on it, and this is a ATR20 hand mic. Thought I'd try them all out, see what they sound like on the camera compared to the camera mic, and figured I'd share it with you. I have a tape measure on my floor so that I can be fairly accurate in repeating the test. This is with the Sony FX7 with the built-in internal mic at 15 feet. Sony FX7 built-in mic at 10 feet. Sony FX7 built-in mic at 7 feet. Sony FX7 with built-in mic at 5 feet. Sony FX7 with built-in mic at 3 feet. This is the same camera, Sony FX7, but I'm using the ATR55 shotgun mic in normal mode at 15 feet. ATR55 shotgun mic in normal mode at 10 feet. ATR55 shotgun mic in normal mode at 7 feet. ATR55 shotgun mic in normal mode at 5 feet. ATR55 shotgun mic in normal mode at 3 feet. Sony FX7 ATR55 shotgun mic in tele mode at 15 feet. Sony FX7 ATR55 shotgun mic in tele mode at 10 feet. Sony FX7 ATR55 shotgun mic in tele mode at 7 feet. Sony FX7 ATR55 shotgun mic in tele mode at 5 feet. Sony FX7 ATR55 shotgun mic in tele mode at 3 feet. Sony FX7 ATR20 handheld mic at 15 feet. By the way, if there's any extra noise, this cord is not on the floor at all. It's dangling about 2.5 feet off the floor in the center, so hopefully I won't be shaking it too much. So if you hear noise, that's probably what it is. Distance makes no difference since I'm using a wired lavalier mic, the ATR35s. One thing that's interesting is that this seems to be on both channels, even though it's a monaural mic.